welcome to Beautyconsultants.
It's summertime, and every summer movie there's a bonfire scene.
So we're going to show you how to dress and how to look for your bonfire party.
Yay!
Hi, I'm Noa Bolozky. I'm a makeup artist for film and television. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a look to go to a bonfire party. So we're going to start with our foundation, and we're going to be using Ella Spa's Liquid Pen Foundation. After foundation for summertime, apply a cream blush. These resist heat, sweat, and humidity. We're going to go with Obsessive Compulsive. Okay, so our next step is to line the eyes before setting shadow, and we're going to use my favorite MAC PowerPoints in Engrave, which is black, and Costa Riche, which is a rich brown. Costa Riche is a very, very soft crayon-like pencil, so we're going to actually use it as an eyeshadow prime. A nice thick line. You don't have to be very precise because we're smudging it out. We're going to add shadow using the NARS Kalahari palette, which is a two-sided shadow, both frosts. I'm going to go with our highlighter color. We're now going to take our slightly darker mauve shade, we're going to tap a small brush, and we're going to underline the eyes, which sets the pencil. And we're back to our MAC PowerPoint in the black engraved, great little waterproof pencil for a quick top liner smudge. Our next step is the Clinique Lash Doubling Mascara, always favorite to pump the wand. Our last step is bronzer. This is Too Faced's Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and this is great because it doesn't have a lot of shimmer if you're already doing a shimmer eye. Simple matte bronzer. And our final step is lips. We're going to go with a nice Chanel Blossomer. And there you have it, your beach bonfire party look.
Tips for your next bonfire party. So number one, wet naps. So you can clean off those fingers after eating some really messy barbecue food. Yeah, and especially I'm thinking s'mores, of course. Bonfire, you have to toast some marshmallows, and pulling them off that stick could get sticky on your fingers. So wet naps would be very useful. Number two, bring some eye drops with you because the bonfire has a lot of smoke and can get really uncomfortable for your eyes, and especially for you guys who wear contacts out there. Bring some eye drops.
Yeah, and that way you don't have to walk around with red eyeballs all night.
So, and three, bring a pair of hugs. I know this is totally random, but at night when it gets really cold there, a pair of hugs will be so comfortable on your feet. Yeah, and very warm, I'm sure. Those are your tips for your bonfire party. We look forward to seeing your photos on Instagram. Please hashtag FancyEye. And thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Until next time, bye!